In this video, we'll demonstrate how to configure a gate to automatically close using a scenario and a delay timer. We have our gate and a magnetic contact sensor installed. First, we open the Scenarios tab and add a new one. We name it Gate Close. Assign it to the relevant roles and place it on the Academy dashboard. As for the scenario, we select Open Gate. This may seem counterintuitive, but it sends a trigger to initiate the closing sequence via automation. We save it twice to confirm all settings. Next, we enter the scenario and open the automation section. We create a new delay automation. This will handle the countdown. We want the gate to close automatically if left open. For testing purposes, we'll set the delay to 1 minute, though in real usage it might be 10. We enable both clear delay and start delay to ensure the automation can restart and run properly each time. Now we set the condition that will activate this delay. We add a new condition using an existing I/O and choose the magnet sensor for the back gate. We define the condition as open and save it all. After the configuration syncs, the system will automatically close the gate if it's left open for more than a minute. Let's test it. After waiting for the 1-minute countdown, we see the gate automatically closes on its own. If the gate is already closed, nothing changes, it stays closed. Thank you for watching. For more tutorials and smart automation tips, check out our full playlist. Until next time.